From 1986, impacting almost every business across the country and 1 million customers across the globe. Most would call this a resounding success. For us, success is the fact that the brand has become synonymous with accounting. The fact that thousands of people have realized their dream of becoming an entrepreneur. The fact that we have created lakhs of jobs and made people more employable. The fact that our brand and its philosophy have become a way of life for all those who have come in touch with it. The fact that we have not just delivered a box of software, but happiness. Who are we?
At a time when we had barely 3,000 customers, my father said that there are only two kinds of businesses, those who use Tally and those who will use Tally. We are frequently heard calling ourselves a technology company which sells a product rather than a product company. To understand this, one needs to go back to the beginning of time. When my father and I were running a small manufacturing unit, we decided to invest in an IBM PC compatible due to my interest in programming. At the same time, we wanted to get some business applications which we could also use for our factory. My father sat through 3 or 4 of the demos, which would last 15 minutes to half an hour, with him staring blankly at the screen, unable to understand anything. The salespeople who had come would tell him, "But this is how computers work." His response still echoes in my mind. When I buy a car, I want to be a driver and not a mechanic. I want to run my business, not run your computer. It was to become my challenge to see if someone like my father could use a business system. After an enthusiastic few months of effort, my first demo was ready for him. It lasted only 2 minutes. The demo started very well, with my starting to create a payment transaction. The date was already filled in. At a field labeled expense account, I typed T001. He asked, "What is T001? I said it was the code for traveling expenses. So he said, "Why don't you enter traveling expenses instead?" My response, "Well, you see, a computer understands codes and does not understand English," ended the demo. "I don't understand you," he said. "All along, you have told me that computers are dumb machines which do not understand anything, and now you tell me that they understand codes but not English. Can you first make me understand?" So I had to choose my words a little carefully now. I said, "Actually, it is much easier to write programs which understand codes than it is to write programs which understand English." His response is easily the backbone of where we are today. Are you writing programs to make life of the programmer easier or life of the user easier? This one insight changed the entire outlook of what problem are we trying to solve. It has led to solving problems of database stability in hostile power environments, solving for your distributed application never getting virus affected, solving for simplifying entry of dates and amounts without needing to train someone. And the list is really endless. This one statement also set new benchmarks for what the word simplicity stands for, and not to have any excuse for inability to solve for it. One learned that allowing people to run their business meant that the software needs to adapt to their way of working and not the other way around. It led to creation of flexibility which was unheard of in business systems, allowing people to remain disorganized if they so wished, yet increasing their efficiency. From the very early days, one discovered that existing technologies are not constructed to achieve these goals. Thus was laid the foundation of a technology company which sells products. These are the foundations on which Tally was born and continues to build on. Today, one looks back with surprise at some of the decisions which actually had come so naturally. The first was our decision to be in the product business and not a solutions or services business. Even back then, we had the clarity that this meant being able to sell to people whom we will never know personally. In fact, every feature of the software would be used by my father, and if he failed to use it without me prompting him, we would be back to the drawing board. Every choice of keys to be used for specific actions was dictated by this objective. It also meant designing for people to buy, install, use, upgrade, and even remove the software without needing any help from us. The second was a decision on earning only from the license we had sold and not from any other effort we may have put in for the customer. In spite of being in difficult financial times, we knew that if we started milking one customer, we will not get to other potential customers. In fact, to the people who would be curious about why we did not charge money, my father would say, "I do not need to earn more money from you, but earn from 50 of your friends." The third was a fanatic approach of either doing something really well or not doing it at all. For example, for several years, we did not build the capability for invoicing or inventory into Tally. Nor, for example, did we provide for interest calculation, and when we did, it was done extremely well. Yet, two major pillars actually stand out behind our early success, which were the philosophy behind our sales and the style with which we sold. And both had Papaji's stamp on them. We were easily a high-priced product for those days. Not the highest, but in the high-price range of products. So comparisons were common and negotiations a part of conversations. Not only were we high-priced, we were consciously so, pricing ourselves as rupees 10,100, contrasted with a more common way of hiding the price, for example, at 9,900. Yet, if at all a customer made out a check for just rupees 10,000, he would not leave the table until the additional 100 had been paid. Not just him, every single salesperson or partner would do the same. The philosophy was very clear. Papaji would tell the customer that if my software does not benefit your business, your money cannot benefit my business. This one statement was the basis of our no questions asked money back guarantee, and he would go to extremes to live up to it. One example which comes to mind is a letter we received from a gentleman from Indore. The letter started by the person apologizing for writing and stating that he is not clear why he is writing to us at all. He used to run a small business for which he had purchased Tally some time ago and which burned down in a fire a couple of months earlier. Since then, he had not had the courage to start a business again and had joined someone else on salary. That is all the letter stated, a person sharing a moment of his life. The next day, we sent him a check for the amount he had paid for Tally. It was no longer useful for his business, so his money could no longer be useful to us. Such was the simplicity of this philosophy, which is what embodies everything we capture in our purpose. Then, of course, was his style. He would never really give a demo of Tally. Neither would he talk about it. He would simply make the prospect start using it by getting their cash book or sales register and start making entries, even though most of them had never used a computer before. He would sit patiently while they fumbled their way through, and in those brief moments would effectively prove everything he would have otherwise talked about. Mistakes would happen and the person would have corrected them. They would have seen the magic of real-time accounting happen, the magic of drill down. Most importantly, that comfort of being able to use the product intuitively. He would only talk about their business and the basically disorganized behavior of businesses in general. This would be linked to the design philosophy of Tally and how such a design would allow them to continue to focus on their business. I have never seen a person not buying from him, and more importantly, not having fallen in love with the product because of him. everyone came away feeling that this was made just for them, and they would enthusiastically give more suggestions, several of which made their way into later versions of the product. Today, after 30 years, some of these pillars remain the core of the company. When I buy a car, I want to be a driver and not a mechanic. I want to run my business and not your software. Are you writing programs to make the life of the programmer easier or life of the user easier? And of course, if my software does not benefit your business, your money cannot benefit my business.
User-friendly doesn't require training, easy to use, simple. These statements from the users of Tally bring that smile of fulfillment on the face of our developers. But you would not want to ask them how they do it, given how unsimple their lives are. The roots of our approach go back a few decades, when technology adoption had just begun and the emerging Indian market presented to us challenges like unstable power in networks, lack of IT support, and diversity of business practices. We were clear about our vision to deliver a software for the common business. It is natural to think that a company like ours, with an intent to deliver an application, would just pick up one of the available technology platforms and keep on the path of developing business features. However, we had another objective too. We wanted to create a software which was not just functionally rich, but was a joy to use, by far the best in whatever it did, and still affordable to every business. That is why we took a very unusual call 25 years back, when we decided that we will create our own technology platform on which we will build our application. It was like saying we will first write a computer language and then write our application using that language. Crazy as it may sound, but that's exactly what we did, and even today are among the few application user companies on the planet with their own language. We go deep under the hood onto the basics of computer science and start by using the raw capabilities directly from the operating system and compilers. We then build layer by layer our complete technology stack. All this we do to impact the non-functional attributes of our product. These attributes like speed, flexibility, reliability, handling of exceptions, accuracy, determine how the user feels when using the product. We knew the challenge for us would not be the list of features, but that feel in every single feature we delivered. It comes as a surprise to most when we share that our ERP application can be installed and start running in seconds. Why not? The entire product fits into just a few megabytes and is even smaller than the simple mobile apps we all use today. In many ways, this small size reveals our attitude and approach to engineering. In the world of bloated enterprise applications, our engineers go that extra mile to chip every extra bit out and ensure that it's really lightweight, can run on any machine, and is fast. We chose not to go the RDBMS SQL way and built an object-oriented database, which is specifically designed to handle real-world data in its natural hierarchical form, along with high-speed storage and computations involving currencies and units for business applications. The application uses this data engine to provide instant reporting even in the most complex scenarios. The technology is designed to deliver the reports faster than an eye blinks. The same technology ensures that the data remains consistent or will auto-recover with zero IT support even under the most unstable power situations. We do sometimes ask a user in doubt to verify by switching off and on the power at any point of the running application and test the resilience of our data technology. People who have been with computers for some years will relate to this much more. We have all tried holding down the arrow key and seen the screen refreshing slowly, trying to catch up with the scroll or starting to beep in some applications. The application is basically unable to process at the speed of the key press. We designed a screen and graphics engine to ensure that a user never ever sees the screen being painted or lagging behind the speed of key press. It is just to give that extra bit of responsiveness which encourages a user to come back and do more with the application. We often have users stating spontaneously, "I wish that something worked like Tally." It is these two words, "like Tally," that gives us the inspiration to weave magic with technology. We take pride in having delivered a number of things much before others could think of it. We are the world's first concurrent multilingual system. We built an entire marketplace on top of our product, and users could ask for support from within the product. We were an open database connectivity compliant client and server as early as 2001 and could exchange data with Excel and SQL databases comfortably. We developed the trusted remote technology where two tallies anywhere in the world could be used for remote access and exchange of data with just simple internet connectivity and no other hardware, software or setup, not even the remote desktop client. What is simple for the user is unsimple for our R&D, but this is the challenge we thrive on. The challenge to go to the fundamentals again and again, fearlessly, and create an engineering marvel with high endurance for every single business to use and grow.
We took the decision to remain an indirect company more than 20 years ago. And to me, that's a decision that has paid us back infinitely. We've always wanted to create products and technologies that drive growth for SMEs all across the world. And our partners have complemented our technology success and helped us traverse language and geographical barriers we never thought we could cross.
Because Tally ऐसा एक सॉफ्टवेयर है जो एक कस्टमर के लिए हमें क्विकली हम लोग उसको समझा सकते हैं एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग वो काफ़ी अच्छा लेवल पे हो जाता है.
The software was amazing, For us, it was important to give solution to, customers. And, we were in the verge of developing an accounting software ourselves. But when we saw Tally, we thought, why reinvent the wheel?
In 1989, when I completed my CA, I actually saw that, SMEs didn't have good software, and some of them who had were struggling with, with incomplete software. And at that time, to be a good accountant, you would have, had to write books by hand. So that's what, was happening then. And when I saw Tally, it was, it was all just, it just finished all those things. So, anyone could set up their accounts very easily. And I mean, we would as accountants spend hours totaling trial balances and, 5 rupee, 10 rupee differences. So with Tally, I mean, that was all history. So I was actually amazed that from where, we came where. So I was impressed with, what could be done, and that's what pulled me towards Tally.
AIM Infocom स्टार्ट हुआ है 2012 में, जनवरी 2012 में. और जब हम लोगों ने AIM Infocom स्टार्ट किया था तो वी आर ओनली द 4 पीपल्स, ओके. और 4 लोगों से ये जर्नी हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट की थी. आज वी आर 20+. और जब हम लोगों ने मतलब AIM Infocom स्टार्ट किया था वो टाइम पे हमारे पास ओनली सिलेक्टिव कस्टमर्स थे. से एग्जांपल 2, 3, 4 कस्टमर्स थे. और नाउ AIM Infocom इज़ इन द पोजीशन कि कस्टमर बेस जो है AIM Infocom 2500+ कस्टमर्स है जिनको हम लोगों ने डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली टच किया हुआ है.
We founded this organization in 1997. That is exactly 5 years after we got associated with Tally. At the moment, we have 3 branches: Bombay, Pune, and Hyderabad. We have small operations in Dubai as well. Basically, we have a partner out there. So, and around 170 people, all of them into Tally.
टैली पार्टनर्स के तरफ बहुत लॉयल है.
The way in which they are treating the customers, for Tally the customer is the most priority thing, and as a chartered accountant I've also felt that customers are, or the clients are, the best important thing in the entire ecosystems, and the same way they are treating the partners also. So these are the two pillars on which our love for Tally is all about.
टैली हर एक पार्टनर्स को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी देती है, हर एक पार्टनर्स को इक्वली ट्रीट करता है.
For us, it is very important to have a long-term relationship. Tally believes in partners as a concept. I think it is one of the very few companies in India who sees partners in a real sense. And we believe in longevity. We believe in tying up with one company. That is all what I found in Tally.
See, the great thing with Tally is that basically it's, you know, it works well. It works the way one expects it to. And the other good thing is that we've been able to, you know, reach customers across the spectrum. So whether it is a telecom company, it's an automobile, you know, manufacturer, or it's a small trader, there have been across the board users who have benefited from it. And having seen, you know, the software industry over these years, I've seen that the value proposition, the cost to benefit is amazing, and actually that is why, you know, Tally is where it is today.
I got a chance एक इंडिविजुअली एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रन करने के विद सक्सेसफुली विद माय टीम. एंड अगर ये टैली मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाती थी या टैली के साथ मैं नहीं जाती थी तो शायद ये मेरे लाइफ में एक लाइफ चेंजिंग नहीं हो सकता था.
Some of these large customers like Mercedes-Benz who integrate their back-end ERP systems with Tally for their dealer accounting. So we've been able to approach customers across the spectrum, and, you know, that has been satisfying, that you are able to deliver a solution at a cost which is, you know, very affordable, and whether to an SME or to a larger organization, you are able to deliver a solution in a good time at a good price, and that brings about a lot of satisfaction when we see our customers are, you know, able to derive that benefit, and which actually is not so common in the software industry. The failure rates are very high, costs are high, but with Tally that has been very different.
Successfully created an enterprise, have around more than 30,000 customers, so many families and people from all sector of their life working out here.
When we were called by income tax department itself that please give us training on Tally, and that's how we felt that wow, this is a product where the department recognizes us. We have been called by CA institutes, we have been called by various other organizations while we are working on Tally. So that's a great professional addition to our work, whatever we are doing. So that's the power and brand of Tally which makes us go to the places.
आज हम लोग 25 प्लस है. इन अ कमिंग ईयर्स माइट बी वी विल बी 100 प्लस. ये हमारा प्लान है.
See, the future is very bright. Now that we are expecting, you know, changes on the taxation front where everything is going to be IT driven. Tally is going to be in the forefront, you know, to assist all those customers, even small businesses.
Today, we are proud to be enablers of the largest, most profitable and most dedicated sales and service ecosystem all across the world, with thousands of entrepreneurs who eat, sleep and breathe Tally.
Tally as a brand which resonates to many of us is an organization that deals with the exciting yet chaotic environment of SMEs. We believe that the challenges we face are unique and provide lot of opportunities. To name a few, creating products and services that will help entrepreneurs around the world to grow, providing the world's best technologies for uncertain environments at affordable price points, reaching out to millions of entrepreneurs and serving them with care. To make the best of these opportunities, what we need is people, and we believe firmly that our people are our strength. We not only need the creative best, but also passionate and innovative people who would like to be a part of this exciting journey.
There is a kind of homeliness and warmth in this workplace that make you feel connected instantly. And people here welcome open sharing of thoughts. I'm especially proud of the way we advocate simplicity in everything that we do.
I've been with Tally for 13 years and I feel blessed to be part of the Tally R&D family where we create technologies for millions of businesses across the globe. It's not easy to make simple solutions. Tally makes it again and again, and with every release it only gets better.
Creating a product that accelerates the velocity of commerce is what excites me about working at Tally. Every line of code that we write, every design decision that we make touches a million businesses today. This is a huge responsibility, making us strive to find the best solution to any challenge. The flexibility of the organization means you can contribute not only to the product, but also to the policies, business practices, and everything in between. The work environment is collaborative. People help you, not just with the work, but also help you choose the best places for your vacations.
To be a part of a brand that has made history is a great feeling of pride. The work environment is extremely stimulating and the passion is contagious. Look forward to more exciting years with Tally.
What's special about our company is when we go through any personal tragedy, the entire leadership is there with you to help you cope with the trauma.
As a company, we have audacious goals. The audacity of our vision is matched by our ability to develop highly innovative software.
In Tally, change is one thing that is constant. We bring in these changes quite often, and it's real fun to plan and implement these changes.
Tally is just not another software product development company. At its heart, it's obsessed with differentiated customer experience, driven by technology and design innovations. Before coming to Tally, I did not even realize the depth and breadth of technology that had been invented here. No wonder most Tally users are ardent fans of the product.
I take immense pride in the fact that we at Tally do what is right. And to do this, you don't need to follow any protocols or seek approval. As long as you feel what you're doing is right, you can go ahead and do it.
I'm completely inspired by the pursuit towards a zero-defect product in spite of the huge market diversity. And this keeps us on our toes and drives us to break all our conventional thinking and boundaries.
I have been in Tally for over 5 years now and couldn't have been happier. Being in the user experience team has been a most challenging and interesting journey for me. Tally ensures that my plate is always full with opportunities for innovation. This excites me the most because of how much I get to learn. It goes without saying that working for Tally customers is a privilege. I'm a very happy and a proud Tallywala.
At Tally, we nurture our talent, inspire them to impact millions of customers by providing an environment of innovation and collaboration. We are proud to have some exemplary leaders, dreamers, achievers, and winners in our team who enjoy the power of simplicity and pursue excellence in all that we do.
Being a part of an organization that has moved India from manual bookkeeping to computerized bookkeeping is something that we all take a lot of pride in. We love coming into work knowing that what we do every day has made such a large impact. We must continue to aspire to build great technology-driven products and services that will help millions of businesses and entrepreneurs achieve their dreams. In the past few years, the landscape has changed, and so must we. We must take a step back to see how we can help our customers and businesses take advantage of all these new capabilities that are emerging. We live in a post-PC, post-Windows world where connectivity can finally be taken for granted. We see the need to create those technologies that will help our customers to do business with greater ease, and actually more importantly, with greater speed. This ensures that more value gets added, more is demanded, more is spent, and more is earned. We see a world in which transactions flow across systems. where finding customers, where finding suppliers, and actually just getting business done is easier than ever. Today, we see a discrete and disconnected set of systems being operated by businesses. A discrete tally, an Excel sheet, a separate banking system, a separate tax portal. Tomorrow, we see the power of connectivity redefining the way business gets done, where two tallies talk to each other, where banks and government portals talk to your business systems. This is the new Tally world. Today, we sell across all types of businesses you can imagine. We are adding several lakh new customers into the Tally family every year. And given our technology focus and expansive partner network, we believe that we're on the path to impacting millions more businesses in the coming few years. Being in a winner-takes-all environment is almost a do-or-die situation. History has continuously proven that in environments like ours, winners have taken it all and they just don't exist anymore. This is a high-risk, high-reward environment. The bets we take can pay off and lead us to success beyond our wildest dreams or end up in disaster. Our attitude and our ability to take these technology-focused bets are what will keep us alive.
In the past 30 years, we have reflected our care and concern for customers through the design of our products and technologies. Our care and concern for chartered accountants, tax professionals and bookkeepers through nuances designed into our products. Our care and concern for partners through the design of our policies, and our dependability for governments, banks and trade bodies through our values and practices. These have not just defined the way we work, but set the increasing expectations everyone can have from us. As we march forward to become a global scale player, one continues to toil and pray for being able to excel at this way of working and get remembered as the ones who made a difference to the world, and that we did it in our trademark style with simplicity.